In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change year-end on QuickBooks Online. Changing your fiscal year-end is something you might need to do if your business has grown, your accountant has recommended a different year-end, or you're aligning with tax or reporting requirements. The good news is that in QuickBooks Online, this is a quick update, as long as you know exactly where to look. I'll walk you through it slowly so you can follow along on your own screen. First, sign into your QuickBooks Online account and go to your main dashboard. At the very top right corner of the screen, you'll see the familiar gear icon, which stands for Settings. Go ahead and click that gear icon. From the menu that opens, choose Account and Settings. This is where you manage the core setup for your company file. Once the Account and Settings window opens, you'll see several tabs running down the left-hand side. Find and click on the Advanced tab. The Advanced section contains a lot of the behind-the-scenes options that affect how your books behave, including your fiscal year settings. On the Advanced page, look for the section labeled Accounting. On the right side of that section, you'll see a small pencil icon, which is the Edit button. Click that pencil to unlock the accounting options so you can make changes. Inside this accounting section, you'll find a field called First Month of Fiscal Year. This is the key setting that tells QuickBooks when your financial year starts, and by extension, when it ends. Open the drop-down menu next to it and select the new starting month you want for your fiscal year. For example, if your new fiscal year should start in July, choose July from the list. Take a second to double-check this selection, because this is what your reports and year-end processes will be based on going forward. After you've chosen the correct month, move down and click Save to apply the change to the accounting section. Then, at the bottom of the Account and Settings window, click Done to close the settings screen and return to your main dashboard. At this point, your QuickBooks Online file is now set to use the new fiscal year start month. It's a good idea to run a profit and loss report or another basic report and confirm that the reporting period options now reflect your updated year. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your year-end in QuickBooks Online.